if you guys are outside the United States, as long as you guys have like a Visa or MasterCard, your credit card will work wherever Visa and MasterCard is accepted. You guys do not have to be like in the United States for these credit cards to work. If you guys are in Canada, I do suggest that you guys do get credit cards for Canada. Start building your credit so that your credit cards can work in Canada. And if it's Visa and MasterCard, it can work anywhere that Visa and MasterCard is accepted. Some of these credit cards have something called foreign transaction fees. So I do want you guys to look into foreign transaction fees. Now, I told you guys like I got a full list of credit cards for Canada. I believe it's like 30 to 40 credit cards for Canada. It was hard for me to get this list, you guys, and to research these credit cards, but I definitely have that list for you. And if you want the full list of credit cards, definitely look down below. Please do your research on all these credit cards. If you can see like all my videos on my YouTube channel here, you can see that I did like a lot of research on the credit cards that I did post on my channel. I might do something like that for you guys in Canada, but I just haven't done it yet. But definitely check out that list if you want to get credit cards for Canada.